Grand Rising. Today I want to talk about your breakthrough is closer than you think. Your breakthrough is closer than you think. If you do enjoy these self-love videos, make sure to subscribe. I'm going to upload videos every Thursday. Imagination creates all reality. I know you're probably on the verge of giving up. You're ready to quit those dreams and then just give it all in. But I'm here to tell you to persist and to keep going. So you have a concept of yourself. You have an assumption of who you are. So you're probably persisting on becoming successful, maybe having your own business, maybe restoring your health, maybe fixing a broken relationship. And you might feel like it's taking a little bit too long. But I'm here to tell you that your breakthrough is closer than you think. So you've been in a situation before. I don't know you, but I know that you've been in a situation before to where you didn't know where your solution was going to come from. But you're here today. You overcame that problem. You're able to watch and listen to this video because you overcame that situation in the past. So use that situation as a crutch or as a reminder that all things are possible to you. So your breakthrough is going to come soon. It's almost here. But if you give up, you will not get that taste of victory. So you can have failure or you can have victory. If you look at players, NBA players, athletes, Kobe Bryant. So this guy only won 5 championships, but he was in the NBA league for 20 years. So looking from the outside, you might think, well, he failed 15 years out of 20 and he only won 5. But winning 5 NBA championships, it's a huge success. Kobe Bryant persisted in his assumption. He knew, I believe he said 11 years old in his video, that he knew he wanted to be in the NBA. So he did not go into the NBA till he was about 18, 19 years old. So he persisted in his assumption for 7 years. 7 years. And he finally had his breakthrough. He was drafted into the NBA. And now he's an NBA legend. So you might think that your dreams or your desires are not for you. Maybe they're meant for somebody else, but I'm here to tell you that you can have it. All things are possible to him who believes. So you are the believer. Now, do you believe that great things come to you or that only bad things come to you? Your breakthrough is almost here. It's closer than you think. When we're talking about manifestation, we're talking about the concept of attracting things to you. And if you feel like when you're trying to manifest things, if you feel like it's taking a long time, remember that everything has a divine timing. Everything has its own anointed time. So a baby usually takes 9 months to be born. Usually. And that's just the way that God and the universe created it. So when you have a desire for something, remember that God and the universe are actually on your side. So if you want to be a person who has a successful business and you don't have it yet, but you're ready to give up, remember that your breakthrough is closer than you think. So think about the situation that you're in. There's some skills, some knowledge, some wisdom, some things that you need to learn before you actually start to run that business. So the universe God, life is teaching you how to get those skills. So you're going to acquire these skills that you need to run your business, but it has its own anointed time. So everything has its own divine timing. Everything happens like it's supposed to. So if you feel like giving up, remember that your breakthrough is coming. It's on the way to you. It's closer than you think. So don't rush the process. There's something that you need to learn before you start that business. There's something that you need before you purchase that brand new house. There's something that needs to happen before you fix that broken relationship. Are you with me? So if you're on the verge of giving up, remember that all things take time. So when you're living here in this linear world, in this 3D world, and you're having a human experience, remember that things are catching up to you. So you've already planted the seeds in your mind, your subconscious mind, the fourth dimension. So in the spiritual world, you've already planted those seeds. All you have to do is sit back and wait, and wait, and wait. Just patiently wait, and it's going to come to you, whatever you desire, whether it's peace, love, freedom, fixed relationships with your family, whatever it is you desire. Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you want to start going back to the gym. Maybe you want to start an organization that helps homeless people, but it's taking a little bit too long. Just wait. Just wait. It will not be late. Whatever you desire is going to arrive on time. Your breakthrough is closer than you think. You got to have faith, and you must believe in yourself. That's the secret sauce to the formula. Faith and believing in yourself. If you're listening to this video, I'm telling you, do not give up. Your breakthrough is closer than you think. And then once you get your breakthrough, you're going to have another desire, and another desire, and another desire. So you are a creature that's designed to grow and expand. So you're never going to stop learning. So never settle for anything. If you have a desire for something, it doesn't matter how big or small it is, go for it. But do not rush the process, because your breakthrough is going to come. So what you want to do, you want to have clarity. You want to be specific on what you desire. So what I recommend, this is something that I do personally. You don't have to, but you want to grab a journal and number it 1 through 10 and write the things that you desire. It doesn't matter what anybody else says. This is your private journal, diary, whatever you choose to call it. You need to get a pencil or a pen, a nice journal. It doesn't cost much. You can get all this for under $5. And you want to write down with clarity exactly what you desire. When you go to bed and you close your eyes, I want you to feel as if you have already received those desires. When you wake up in the morning, read the list again and feel that you have already received it. So you write down 10 things, you read them at nighttime before bed, and then you read them in the morning. So this should take you no longer than 10 minutes before bed, 10 minutes in the morning time. No excuses. And you try this for 30, 60, even 90 days. It doesn't matter how long it takes, because that breakthrough is going to come. But you've got to have clarity. If you order some shoes from Amazon, you want that size 10. You don't pick just send me any size that you would like, any color. When you go to Amazon and you pick some clothes, some shoes, whatever item you desire, you know the quantity, the color, and the size. So you're going to do the same thing with your journal. Whenever you're manifesting something, you want to be as specific as possible. You want to be vivid. And the universe and God will give it to you. Because when you're writing these things down, you're expressing your belief and your faith in God and the universe. And it says all things are possible to him who believes, so you will receive it. And the only way for you to find out if this works is to actually do it, to do the work. And it's not physical work, it's all mental work. Because where the mind goes, the feet soon will follow. So writing down your goals is planting seeds. And then throughout the day, you carry that assumption that you have already received it. That is watering the seed. And lastly, do not tell anybody what's on your list. Never, ever, ever, ever tell anybody your manifestations. So when you tell people your manifestation, it's like you planted the seed and then you dig it up to show them the seed. Hey, look what I just planted. So and then you're going to have to replant it again. So never, ever, ever tell anybody your manifestations. Now you can tell them afterwards, that's okay, but you don't have to. They're going to see it for themselves. So keep your manifestations private, because this outside energy can throw you off, can throw your manifestations off. If you're telling somebody you want to make $1 million to open up a homeless shelter and open up a gym, and your friends don't think this is possible, what do you think is going to happen? So all this negative energy is going to come right back to you. And they're going to tell you, are you sure you want to do that? Where are you going to get all that money from? And then you're going to go home and you're going to start thinking, wow, maybe this isn't for me. Where in the heck am I going to get $1 million? So you just dug up the seed yourself. So don't tell anybody your desires. All you do is write them down, read the list before you go to bed, and then you read them in the morning time as soon as you wake up. So if you're on the verge of giving up and you listen to this video so far, remember that your breakthrough is closer than you think. Where the mind goes, the feet soon will follow. Make sure you stay to the end of this video. I do have 2 amazing recommended videos for you guys to watch. Life is good. If you did like this video and it does resonate with you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Go out there and use your gifts and make life happen. Peace.